Solving your Netgear router disconnection issues.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into a common problem many users face. Your Netgear router keeps disconnecting. Don't worry, though, there are several potential causes for this issue, and we're here to guide you through understanding and fixing each one.
Could it be an Internet Service Provider (ISP) issue?
The first thing to rule out is an issue with your internet service provider. If your internet service provider is having difficulties, this might be causing your router to disconnect. A simple way to check this is to see if other devices in your house are experiencing the same issue. If they are, you might need to contact your ISP.
Are firmware updates needed?
Next up, let's consider your router's firmware. Outdated firmware can often cause connectivity issues. Netgear routers typically have a built-in feature to check for updates. You can access this feature by logging into your router's settings and looking for a firmware update option. If an update is available, make sure to install it.
Is it a wireless interference problem?
Wireless interference is another common cause for disconnections. Devices like cordless phones, microwaves, and other Wi-Fi networks can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. To combat this, try changing your router's channel through the settings, or relocate your router away from these devices.
Could it be a heat and ventilation issue?
Routers, just like any other electronic devices, can overheat, causing them to function improperly. Ensure your router is placed in a well-ventilated area and not covered by any objects that might lead to overheating.
Do you have router or device compatibility issues?
Sometimes, the devices you're trying to connect to your router might not be fully compatible with it, causing intermittent disconnections. To address this, check for any necessary updates on your devices or consider upgrading the devices if they're significantly outdated. These are some of the most common reasons why your Netgear router might be disconnecting frequently. By following these steps, you should hopefully be able to diagnose and resolve your connectivity issues. But if your router still continues to disconnect, it might be time to contact Netgear support or consider purchasing a new router. We hope you found this video helpful, and here's to stable, reliable Wi-Fi in your future.